All right, everybody, welcome back to the Gramophone channel. My name is Luke, if you don't know me, and we talk about awesome audio products here. So make sure that you get subscribed and you click that bell icon down in the corner so you won't miss out, because we've got more cool stuff too, especially with our new Experience Center being open. We got all kinds of stuff. I'm happy today to show you a limited edition of the Node. This guy is the Node X. And in terms of this value proposition in the world of hi-fi streaming, this might be one of the best ever. First glance, you can tell, looks a little different. Comes in this sweet silver finish as opposed to the typical black or white, setting it apart a little bit. So the aesthetics, great. But what's going on with the Node X really? Like, why are you really buying one? Is this just a Node with a fancy finish? No, there's a little more going on here under the hood. Now, what you should know is that it is more like a traditional Node than not, in the best ways. But where the improvements come are in two key places that are going to make all the difference. The first change under the hood of the Node X is that it's using a Sabre DAC. The original Node, by all means, has a fine DAC in it. You can run the analog outs of it into just about any system and have a good old time. But Sabre DACs are definitely a cut above, and the difference is surely noticeable. The Node is a whole lot closer to much more expensive streamers and its own DAC capabilities, and that is awesome. The second big change is the headphone amp. That is a THX AAA headphone amp. The THX AAA is among the cleanest headphone amp architectures ever conceived. And now one lives in a Bluesound Node. This is really a multi-purpose device. It's a great streamer with all kinds of options for streaming. Tidal, Spotify, Amazon, so many different services that you can stream through this device, and it all does high res, MQA, 24-bit, all of it. And you get features like eARC that can just be run into it for a TV audio output and then output through RCAs into a traditional stereo, and boom, it's part of your TV. That's one heck of a package. This is celebrating the 10-year anniversary of Bluesound and products like the Node. It's the Node X, but the X is also kind of Roman numeral 10 years. You have a limited product, you got something cool. So if you're the kind of person that has a really nice, let's say, all analog stereo setup, and you've been thinking, man, I wish I could listen to my TV through that. Or if you're an avid headphone listener, this is still a great option. So whether you're in one camp or the other, or kind of sort of both, it's a good value for all. The Node X is $749. The original Node is $599. That's a difference of merely $150. This is a no-brainer. So head on over to skybygramophone.com, click that link down below. And if you've been thinking about a Node, just get yourself an X. You're not going to regret it. I sure haven't. Finally, please come visit us at our showrooms, including the new Experience Center, Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland. We also have the lovely Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, and right next to the original Timonium showroom is this awesome new Experience Center. We've got all the coolest stuff in the world, I think, on display now, so come see it. All right, everybody, thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you found my words about the Node X to be helpful and maybe even fun. If so, please give this video a like, drop a comment down below, and chat with me a bit, especially if you have any more questions. You know the drill. And of course, be seen.